All right, today we got a 2014 Ducati 848, another one with the lost key situation. Basically, they sent us the seat lock, the gas cap, the ignition, and the dashboard. So basically, you don't have to send us all these locks, but the more the merrier. You send us the ignition and the dashboard, we'll be able to program you another key. So we'll come back in a little bit once we figure out what the key is from scratch and everything, and do the pre-programming. All right, we're back. We just finished making two keys. Works the gas cap pretty good. Works the seat lock. Works the ignition, so that should be park, lock, off, on. So we have two keys cut, programmed. Basically, when the customer gets this back, it'll start the bike. So you need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what you need to send us and everything. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.